Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun. Hi, welcome back to sketchit.fun. Today, I'll be teaching you about the push and pull. Hi everyone, the push and pull is this icon here. The shortcut for push and pull is P. When you first choose the push and pull, if there is no surface for you to work on, this tool will not work. It has to work on flat surfaces. For you to use push and pull, you have to have a surface first. So I'm going to draw a rectangle first. Then I'll select the push and pull. Then you left click, then you pull it up. I'm gonna put a height of 2500 mm and it'll be fixed at 2500 mm. If you want to push it down to its original location, it's gonna cancel away. So let's say if I want to draw something that's 1000, I tap on Control and it'll give you a second height. If I continue to type 1000, if I double click without tapping onto Control, it will just continue, but on the same layer. Tapping Control, right, you'll see a plus sign, and that allows you to create a new level. So you can do it from the side as well. Okay, for today's challenge, you'll be using the rectangle tool and push and pull to create a structure like this. So I'll just go one round around this structure for you to have a look. I'll leave the picture in the timer sheet so you can give it a try. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how the challenge is completed. So with rectangle, so I chose a height of 1000. So I choose every alternate block. So actually this exercise is not very hard. It's just for you to get familiarized with push and pull. Alright, thank you for staying till the end of this video. So today you've learned about the push and pull. So like always, this is just a matter of practice. So you might not be able to get it straight away, but by now, by this episode, you should be getting more and more familiar with the tools already, and you should be getting very comfortable. But if you are not, don't worry, you can just keep replaying this video and give it a try again. Today's lesson is just for you to be very familiar with push and pull. So in other software, it might be called extrude, but here it's called push and pull. Alright, till next time then. Okay, for the next lesson, I'll be teaching you about the circle tool. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun.